You ever wonder why you've been learning to code for 2 years and still open VS Code like it's your first time? Yeah, same. I'm not here to roast you. At least, not too hard. Let's talk about 6 deadly habits that are slowly ruining your coding progress. I did all of them. I was basically the CEO of these habits. Number 1, the shiny object syndrome. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You wake up with a god-tier idea. You're like, yo, what if I build a decentralized AI-powered task manager that runs on the cloud, speaks 5 languages, and auto-generates memes based on your mood? You research for 2 days straight, don't touch grass, install 17 VS Code extensions, open a blank project, and 2 days later, gone. New idea, new language, new dopamine hit. I personally went from Batch script, Python, C, Java, PHP, and trust me, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So I'm in no position to judge. But listen, choose one language, stick to it, build something, finish it. Number 2, the infinite research trap, also known as what's the best language, framework, stack, and so on. The biggest productivity killer isn't Stack Overflow. It's not TikTok. It's you Googling best programming language to learn in 2025. You haven't written one line of code, but somehow you have 19 Notion pages comparing Node.js to Python. Just pick something, okay? Choose Python. Or Java, something versatile. Flip a coin if you have to. Just commit. It's not your marriage. It's code. 3, over-relying on LLMs. Yeah, I know. It's the vibe coder era. You just prompt ChatGPT with write me a multi-threaded compiler that runs in O1 and makes me breakfast. And boom, magic. But listen, if all you do is prompt, copy, paste, and run, you're not coding. You're outsourcing your entire brain to a robot. And when that robot breaks, you're cooked. Like finals week with no notes, cooked. Use the tools, yes, but don't let them raise you. You'll never learn to walk if you're always carried. Number 4, only doing school projects. Look, I get it. Your CS course made you build a calculator. But here's the thing. LLMs have made a lot of things way easier. So if your project can be replicated with just 1 or 2 prompts, it's not going to seem all that impressive anymore. Not even a little. You need a real project. Something you actually care about. Something that hurts a little to build.
What?
Pick something that forces you to struggle. Something that teaches you not just coding, but also database design, deployment, and debugging. Ideally, build a full-stack web app or a mobile app, especially if that's what you're into. Or maybe even try training a model and actually earn the right to slap that AI sticker on your resume. You'll probably need to build an API, a UI to interact with it, and if possible, try using both SQL and NoSQL databases to broaden your skills. And of course, don't stop at just one project. Build more. That's how you actually grow. 5, not keeping up with the ecosystem. You don't have to doom scroll Hacker News 24/7, but if you've been learning React and don't know about hooks, or if you're learning Python and you've never heard of FastAPI, at least once in a while, pop your head out of the tutorial cave and go check what's happening. Sign up for a dev newsletter. Read 1 blog post per week. Maybe lurk on Reddit instead of arguing about tabs versus spaces. Brief, know your tools. Number 6, skipping the basics. This one's personal. So many folks out here trying to use React before understanding how functions work, trying to deploy ML models before understanding what a class is. If you don't know how variables, loops, conditionals, functions, or scope work, stop right there. Go back. Learn those. That's your ammo. Don't skip the basics. That's like trying to become a chef without knowing how to boil water. For example, if you're learning React, start with JSX, props, state, use effect, component hierarchy. Then go deeper. And yes, learn data structures, arrays, stacks, queues, etc. They will show up like your ex in your dreams before interviews. Alright, if any of these hit too close to home, same. I've done all of these. The good news, you can flip the script literally today. Pick a language. Learn the basics. Build a project. Finish what you start. Use tools, but don't lean on them. Stay curious. And above all, don't be afraid to suck at first. That's how everyone starts. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.